Hello students, topic is trigonometric ratios. So ABCB any right angle triangle whose angle B is 90 degree and angle A and C are less than 90, that is acute angle. So AB is base with respect to angle A and B angle is 90 degrees, so opposite side of angle B is called hypotenuse and BC is perpendicular. Let angle CAB equal to theta, and this angle is less than 90. So less than 90 means theta is acute angle. Since theta is now we have 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So what is the ratios are? What are the ratios? So with respect to angle theta, AB is base, BC is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. Consider P equal to perpendicular H equal to hypotenuse and B equal to base. The first ratio is sine, SIN, sine theta with respect to angle theta. So what is sine theta? Sine theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular means P, hypotenuse is H, perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is sine theta. Ratio of these two sides, perpendicular and hypotenuse, equal to perpendicular means BC with respect to angle theta, that is angle A. We are taking angle A equal to theta, less than 90 degree. So BC and hypotenuse is AC. So remember, hypotenuse sides is out of 3 sides, that is the longest side, and it is opposite of 90 degree angle. Opposite side of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse always, that is fixed. With respect to angle A and with respect to angle C, base and perpendicular are always changing, but hypotenuse is always fixed. So BC by AC. Next, cos theta, COS, cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So base means B by H. So base equal to, see the diagram, base is AB. AB is the base and AC is the hypotenuse, AC. Next, tan, TAN, tan theta with respect to angle theta. One thing always remember, without angle, sin, cos, tan are meaningless. So need one angle that is less than 90 degree always. So tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So P by B. Perpendicular is BC and base equal to AB. So sin, cos, then tan. After that, number 4 is cosec. COSEC. Cosec theta. This is reciprocal of sine. So reciprocal of sine, that means h by p, hypotenuse by perpendicular. H by p equal to AC by BC. AC by BC equal to reciprocal of sine, that means 1 by sine theta. So cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta. Then sine theta equal to reciprocal of cosec, that means sine theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta. Then after that, sec, SEC, sec theta. Reciprocal of cos, that means hypotenuse by base, h by b, that is AC by AB. AC is hypotenuse, AB is base. So sec reciprocal of cos, that means sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Similarly, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Then last number, 6 number ratio, cot, COT, cot theta, reciprocal of tan. So base by perpendicular, B by P. The base means AB and perpendicular is BC. BC equal to, so cot is reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan theta. Similarly, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. See, first 3 if you know or you can remember first 3, then other 3 automatically you will get, because sin theta reciprocal of cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Then cos, cos means reciprocal of sec, so sec theta equal to 1 by cos. Then tan, tan reciprocal of cot, so tan theta equal to 1 by cot, then cot theta equal to 1 by tan. So if we know first 3 T ratios, then other 3 easily we can find. So these are the 6 ratios. So in trigonometry, 6 ratios are there, and these are 6 ratios. Now, what is sin theta by cos theta? See, sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta equal to BC by AC, BC by AC by cos theta equal to AB by AC, AB by AC. So equal to BC by AC into AC by AB. So AC AC cancel, then BC by AB. So BC by AB means tan theta. So we can write this equal to BC by AB equal to tan theta, because BC means perpendicular and AB means base. Perpendicular by base equal to tan theta. So therefore sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. This one you have to remember, tan theta. Similarly cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. If you divide cos theta by sin theta, then you will get cot theta. This is another, we can say as a formula. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now what is the product of tan theta and cot theta? So tan theta into cot theta. So tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, into cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta, then cos cancel, sin cancel, so this is equal to 1. So this means tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Now these ratios are easily, we can remember. One funny rhymes are there. So that rhymes are, see, some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black. This is one funny rhymes. Easily we can find trigonometric ratios from these three lines and easily we can remember. So what is this? See, some first letter S, people first letter P and have first letter H. So S equal to P by H. So S means, that is, S means sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. See, sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is sin theta. This is. Next one is, first letter is C, curly, brown first letter B and here H. So C equal to B by H. That is cos theta, C for cos theta equal to B by H. So B is base and H is hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Then third line is turn permanently black. Turn T, permanent P and black B, first letter. So T equal to P by B. That is T for tan theta. So tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. So some people have means S equal to P by H, sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then curly bound hair, cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Then turned permanently black, that is tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So these three ratios, if you know, then other three easily you can find. That's all for today. Thank you.